Okay guys, this is a 2025 Tesla Model 3, rear wheel drive, rebuilt title, front end damage, all been fixed up. This does have full self-drive paid for, no subscription needed, has been thoroughly inspected, all ready to go. I've been buying from these guys for many years. You can look me up at TJ Chapman Auto on YouTube and you can see the hundreds and hundreds of Teslas I've sold and really only have about 4 main guys I buy from, so got a lot of history with these guys, some of the best in the business. These new ones have these LED lights here, pretty cool. So there's your full self-drive paid for in there. Battery health says it's healthy. Heated, cooled seats. Your lights, this is how you can change all these lights that run all the way around here. Pick your color. So other than that, this is all pretty. So only upgrades that you have since full self-drive's paid for. Look at that dash, clean. Floor mats. Seats here in the back. You got all your game deals, all your YouTube and stuff. Control your volume. And floor mats there in the back. Look at those tires. So charging cables don't come with any of my Teslas, but they are available to purchase. $300. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.